Bubble monkey here. They will play the robot game. Today I had to tour. But I had to do them. Okay, get it on it, guys. He's so cool. What happened? Oh, that one. Okay, guys. What happened in Jackson? Okay. I'm looking again, guys. Check that. Oh, banana truck. See that? Oh, no, nothing work. Do it again. Okay. Did I ever walk with it? Oh, yeah. I was playing Roblox. What? Okay. Okay, guys. I'm putting on my that one. It's so ugly. What's that? Wait. What I could do? I'm gonna play that one, man. I'm really. Yep, okay. Hurry! Ah! Oh, okay. Don't know why this happening. Don't know why, guys. Okay, I'm gonna talk to the because it me or she. But we bought my feet ready. Okay, guys. Oh. Oh my gosh, you got the hot parkour. Make parkour. Okay. What? No! Don't not mute that one. I'm so mad. Cut that one. Okay. Yeah. Hey, wait. Look at these. Look at these shine. The airboard. Oh, that one. Come on. Okay. Jump. No. But why my body not really gone. Okay, guys. Go for the one. It's okay. We made it. Okay. Do the new one. Do more. No. We made it. No. We almost made it. That one to go. Try him again. I want to go here to him. Okay, can't be. It's Illuminati. Okay. To jump high. No, jump high. The jump high. Oh, don't know me. Holy. Okay. Oh no, don't forget. Okay. Me got. Guy, me almost finished. Yes! Ready? What? Why the? Oh, I picked that. Okay, guys, I'll vote you now. Okay, the one will be more hot. Look, the bomb guy shot and the wig. Number 4. One. Jump! Yes! Yeah, we made it! Not the pink anymore. Turning. Oh no, guys, it will be so hard. Okay. What team doing? What you doing there? Richard, oh, hit the far and die. But him in the Chucky in the wet and bunt math that kind good. Okay, get on it. Did you freaking see that? It's so awesome. Look, the far. Okay, one more parkour thing. Now it's the pink emerald. Okay, the pink emerald got the Chucky one. So to the pink emerald. The pig and got the sucky one. Only no, guy. We do all the hard work and in the try. What you walking at? What you walking at? Oh, don't do that. Okay, guys. Jump. Shut! No! Oh! My fall! Oh my gosh! That's so cool! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Come here! Come here! You go not fall. No! Yes! No! Not the game! It's a time too tiny parkour. Okay, tiny open tomato. See how a pole do it. You have to do it like that. Oh, wow, me get your bench, pick and board. Another day, man. Okay. Okay, jump. Don't freaking fall, okay? Okay. Chucky, that's kind of good. Oh, Chucky got a new parkour. Chucky and people. Oh, no. You get anyone? Me up. Okay. Let me come out. Wait, we're not to charge my ear. Thingy. Bongy.